Okay, let's continue with the topic. That is, how can we determine the given potential is oxidation or reduction? Okay, now just give attention, everyone. Suppose the potential of the one half cell is given like this, that is E0 Zn slash Zn plus 2 is equal to 0.76 watt. Identify this potential is oxidation or reduction. For that, just recall the representation of the cell. Okay, what is the oxidation number of this particular zinc is 0 and here it is a plus 2. The oxidation number is increased, that is 0 to 2. Oxidation number increased, that means the reaction is oxidation. Therefore, the meaning of this particular potential is oxidation potential. That means the given potential is oxidation potential. Second example that we have E0 Cu plus 2 slash Cu is 0.34 watt. Identify the given potential is oxidation or reduction. Then how can we identify this one? The oxidation number of the Cu plus 2 in this case is plus 2 and here the Cu is 0. That means oxidation number decrease from plus 2 to the 0. Decreases, that means this reaction is reduction. Which reaction is this? Reduction. That means the given potential is reduction potential. Which potential? Reduction potential. Clear? How can we convert the given potential, oxidation or reduction, in a opposite terms? The first one, the given potential is oxidation. To convert in a reduction, just invert the representation. As we discussed that oxidation and reduction potentials numerically are equal but opposite with the sign. That means this value here it is a positive, then reduction potential is becomes negative. So E0, invert the term, this one, that is Zn plus 2 first, then after Zn value is remain same, numerical values are equal, the sign is positive, that means here the sign is negative. Now this is a reduction potential. Which potential? Reduction potential. Okay, then check it whether it is a reduction or not. Then once again just write down the oxidation number plus 2 here and here it is a 0. That means oxidation number change from plus 2 to the 0 decreases. That given reaction is a reduction reaction. Which reaction? Reduction. Therefore, the given potential is a reduction potential. Now, in a second example that we have, the given potential in a reduction form. So, how can we convert the oxidizing form? Then invert the representation that we have E0 Cu slash Cu plus 2. The numerical value is same, 0.34 volt. Positive value is a negative and this term is interchanged. Now it is oxidation potential. Let's check it out whether it is oxidation or not. Then the copper, the oxidation number is 0 here. It is a plus 2. That means 0 to plus 2 shows the increasing of oxidation number. So given reaction is oxidation. Okay, clear? Let's calculate the full cell potential. Let's calculate the cell potential of the full cell. Then consider the galvanic cell here. The galvanic cell that we have, Zn solid slash Zn plus 2 aqueous double slash Cu plus 2 aqueous slash Cu solid. Just recall the representation of the full cell. Double slash is a salt bridge. The left hand side of the salt bridge, that means this one, is always known as anode. Then right hand side is always known as cathode. Okay, the potential of them are given E0 Zn slash Zn plus 2.76 watt in form of oxidation, or in form of reduction we have minus 0.76. Copper half cell potential in form of reduction is 0.34 watt, in a form of oxidation is minus 0.34 watt. Now I am showing you that the full cell potential in terms of oxidation or reduction is always same in a magnitude. Okay, let's consider the formula of E0 cell in form of reduction, that is the standard form E0 cathode minus E0 anode. In which form this one? Reduction. Therefore, E0 cell, that is equal to, remember this thing, we are taking the formula in the form of reduction, so we have to take the representation in form of reduction only. This both, it is cathode or and anode, both representations are required to take in form of reduction only. Right? On cathode, the reduction reaction is occurs, Cu plus 2 convert into the Cu. So Cu plus 2 slash Cu minus E0. On anode, it is an oxidation reaction. Zn convert into the Zn plus 2. But we have to write down in form of reduction. That means opposite of this, Zn plus 2 convert into the Zn. So here it is E0 Zn plus 2 slash Zn. E0 Cu plus 2 slash Cu, that we have reduction in a reduction form, that we have here 0.34 volt. So write down 0.34 minus of reduction form of zinc, that we have minus 0.76 volt. So minus 0.76, and the total of this one 0.34 minus plus 0.76 volt, and potential that we have 101 volt E0 cell. This in form of reduction. Which form? Reduction form. Now let's consider in form of oxidation, that is a cell potential. Here it is. In form of oxidation, we have formula E0 cell is equal to E0 of anode minus E0 of cathode. Okay. In which form? Oxidation. That means both the half cells should represent in a form of oxidation only. Anode, that is experience the oxidation, that is Zn, convert into Zn plus 2. So here it is E0 Zn slash Zn plus 2 minus, here Cu plus 2 convert into the Cu, that is reduction reaction. So we have to write the oxidation, that is Cu convert into the Cu plus 2. In form of oxidation, the value is 0.76 volt. In form of oxidation, the copper half cell potential is minus 0.34 volt. Clear? In form of reduction, if you calculate the cell potential, then also is 1.10 volt. In form of oxidation, if you calculate the cell potential, then also is 1.1 volt. So the second note, for a full cell, the cell potential is always positive. We have the answer, as well as same in magnitude and with the sign. But half cell, the potentials, oxidation reductions are same in magnitude but opposite with the sign. Clear? Let's consider the second more example to calculate the cell potential of the cell, that we have here. Suppose Al solid slash Al plus 3 double slash Zn plus 2 slash Zn. E0 Al plus 3 slash Al is given minus 1.66 volt, and E0 Zn plus 2 slash Zn is given minus 0.76 volt. Okay, then first, to calculate the cell potential, always remember this thing, the step number first, identify the given half cell potential, that is in a oxidation form or reduction form. First identify this one, right? Every time we have to not write down this way. This is just for explanation. So here we have to orally do these things. Then just give attention. The first is Al plus 3. That means the oxidation number of aluminium is plus 3. It's converting to the Al, that is 0. Plus 3 to the 0. That means decrease of oxidation number. The potential is reduction. Decrease matlab reduction reaction. So the given potential of aluminium is in reduction form. Same way in case of this one, oxidation number of the zinc in this Zn plus 2 is plus 2. It converting into 0. That means zinc plus 2 to the 0. That means reduction. That means both the half cells are given in a reduction form. So we can use the reduction formula. Suppose one is given in oxidation form, another one is given reduction form. Then convert both the half cell in the same form, either in oxidation or reduction. How can we convert? Then we have the topic, that is invert the terms, convert the oxidation potential in reduction into the oxidation, numerically same but opposite with the sign. Okay, here both the half cells are in given reduction form. Let's calculate the E0 cell. That is E0 cell, we have both are in reduction form, so reduction formula is E0 cathode minus E0 anode. Therefore E0 cathode, that we have Zn plus 2 slash Zn minus anode Al slash Al plus 3, but we have to write in form of reduction, so Al plus 3 slash Al. Zn plus 2 reduction potential. In a reduction potential of the zinc, that is given minus 0.76, so minus 0.76 minus minus of minus 1.66, that is going to be 0.90 volt. Clear? That is our answer. So this way we have to calculate the potential. Once again I am telling you, to calculate the cell potential of any full cell, always check the given half cell potential in which form, oxidation or reduction. If both are in oxidation, then use the formula, then use E0 oxidation of anode minus E0 oxidation of cathode. If it is form of reduction, then use E0 reduction of cathode minus in the E0 reduction of anode. Okay, if one is in oxidation form, another one is reduction form, then convert both the half cell potential in a same form, either in oxidation or reduction. Clear? Okay, so write down. Let's take the one more example to calculate the cell potential. The full cell is given Mg slash Mg plus 2 double slash Sn plus 2 slash Sn. Mg solid. Don't forget to write down the physical state of the species. Okay, so calculate the cell potential of the cell. So we have a formula, that is E0 cell is equal to, in form of oxidation, E0 oxidation of anode minus E0 oxidation of cathode. In form of reduction, E0 cell is equal to E0 reduction of cathode minus E0 reduction of the anode. So as I told you, first identify the given cell potential in which form is it in oxidation or reduction. Okay, to calculate the cell potential, both the half cell potential are required to be in a same form, either oxidation or reduction. Okay, now just give attention everyone. Then Mg oxidation number is 0, converting the Mg plus 2, oxidation number is plus 2. That means 0 to plus 2. This is oxidation reaction. So this potential is oxidation potential. Or you can say that in another way you can write down E0 oxidation. Sn, the oxidation number is plus 2. Here the Sn converting to 0. That means this one is a reduction reaction. So the given potential is reduction. That means both the half cell potential are in a different form. Then convert anyone, either Mg in a reduction or Sn in a oxidation. I am here converting the Mg oxidation in form of reduction. How can we convert? Then invert this term. Now we have E0 Mg plus 2 slash Mg, the half cell potential same in magnitude but opposite with the sign. Here the sign is positive, here the sign is negative. Reduction potential of Sn is already given, slash Sn, that is minus 0.14 volt. Now apply the formula, that is E0 cell equal to E0 reduction of cathode minus E0 reduction of the anode. Reduction of cathode, that is Sn plus 2 converted into the Sn minus E0 anode side. It is Mg converted to Mg plus 2, so we have to write out the opposite of this because reduction reaction Mg plus 2 converted into the Mg. So we have 0.14 minus of minus 2.37, so that is going to be 2.23. Clear? E07. Okay. In exam, if you want to write down the example, then write down 1, 2 and 3. Out of this 2, you can write down any one. Okay. This is just to inform you that in form of oxidation or reduction, the cell potential values are always remain same in magnitude as well as with the sign. But in case of the half cell, the potential values are same but opposite with the sign. Clear? Okay. The short note is completed of the cell potential. Next lecture that we will see is the EMF series.